What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. The third generation of the iPhone SE line aims to bring an affordable iPhone to people unfazed by the latest advancements of Apple's main flagship lineups. Indeed, the third-gen iPhone SE keeps the tried and old design of the iPhone 8. But supercharges what matters the most, the hardware inside, resulting in an improved camera experience, exceptional future-proofness, and overall, a good value for money. Traditionally, due to the limited form factor, iPhone SE units have arrived with modest batteries as far as raw capacity comes. The original iPhone SE and the iPhone SE 2020 didn't employ large batteries. The two phones employed 1,821 mAh and 2,406 mAh batteries, respectively, which sounds paltry when compared with the larger iPhones. However, these batteries paired with the super-efficient chips that Apple puts inside its most affordable phones meant that they used to punch above their weight when it comes to endurance, although Apple doesn't usually reveal official battery sizes. Subsequent device teardowns reveal the prized information. The same scenario unfolded with the iPhone SE 2022 as well. It was revealed that the battery inside this one is a 2018 mAh one, a significant improvement over the iPhone SE 2020's 1821 mAh battery. This was accomplished without changing the design or increasing the thickness of the device, thanks to the new hardware. The new iPhone SE can now benefit from the Smart Data mode, which intelligently conserves battery life by automatically shifting iPhone to LTE when 5G speeds are not needed. In our experience, the battery of the SE 2022 remains one of its big downsides. With mostly social media use, the phone lasted from 8 a.m. to about 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. when it dropped to single digits. Of course, using the camera, playing back more video or gaming would drain the battery much faster. And with less use, it would last even a longer day on a single charge. But never more than that. The iPhone SE 2022 comes with no charger in the box, as is now tradition for Apple's phones. The phone will charge up to 50% in 30 minutes with a 20W charging adapter or higher. Of course, you will have to get one separately if you don't have one already. There's Qi wireless charging capability on the iPhone SE 2022. But don't expect dramatically faster speeds than its wired counterpart. The maximum charging speeds this new iPhone SE supports are up to 20 watts. Basically the same as on last year's model. Pick a charger accordingly. There's also classic Qi wireless charging on deck, no MagSafe support, as the phone is so thin that there's physically no space for the magnets. Thanks for watching till end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.